Welcome to Frost Sullivan's Growth Podcast. This series brings together key insights from our research, growth analyses, and thought leadership, highlighting the strategic imperatives shaping industries, technologies, and markets worldwide. In this episode, we focus on the future of U.S. clinical laboratory services, exploring the forces transforming diagnostics and the strategic priorities that will shape the next phase of industry growth. Clinical laboratories are processing more tests than ever before. But is higher testing volume the biggest story shaping the industry?
Not anymore. While aging populations, rising chronic disease prevalence, and advances in precision medicine continue to increase testing demand, the industry is undergoing a broader transformation. Laboratories are balancing growing diagnostic complexity with reimbursement pressures, evolving regulations, payer consolidation, and rising expectations for faster, more accessible services. At the same time, technologies such as genomics, proteomics, real-time PCR, companion diagnostics, and laboratory automation are improving diagnostic accuracy and operational efficiency. Testing is also moving beyond centralized laboratories through point-of-care testing, retail clinics, at-home collection, and digital result delivery.
What are the biggest factors supporting market growth, and what's slowing progress?
Growth is being supported by several important developments. Clinical informatics, AI-driven automation, next-generation sequencing, and expanding point-of-care and home-based testing are improving efficiency while extending access to diagnostics. At the same time, laboratories face significant challenges. New laboratory-developed test regulations are increasing compliance requirements, workforce shortages continue to affect operations, technology investments remain costly, and interoperability issues make digital integration more difficult. The challenge isn't simply adopting new technologies, it's doing so while maintaining efficiency, controlling costs, and meeting evolving regulatory expectations.
Competition has traditionally focused on scale and logistics. Is that still the case?
Scale remains important, but it's no longer the primary differentiator. Leading laboratories are expanding advanced diagnostic portfolios in genomics, molecular diagnostics, and companion diagnostics, while investing in AI, robotics, and digital laboratory workflows to improve turnaround times and operational performance. Many are also extending patient access through retail partnerships, home collection services, and decentralized testing models. As a result, competitive advantage increasingly depends on combining specialized diagnostics with digital capabilities and broader access to care.
Looking ahead, which opportunities offer the greatest long-term potential?
Two areas stand out. The first is expanding specialized diagnostic services beyond acute and oncology testing. Growing demand for biomarker testing, pharmacogenomics, proteomics, and disease-specific diagnostics is creating opportunities to improve patient outcomes while generating higher-value revenue streams. The second is building decentralized diagnostic networks. Home-based testing, retail partnerships, mobile diagnostics, and near-patient testing are making diagnostics more convenient without compromising laboratory quality. Advances in CLIA-waived devices, lab-on-chip technologies, AI-supported interpretation, and telehealth are accelerating this transition. Together, these investments enable laboratories to strengthen diagnostic capabilities while expanding patient access and improving operational flexibility.
Today's discussion highlights that the future of clinical laboratory services extends well beyond processing more tests. Success will increasingly depend on combining specialized diagnostics, digital laboratory operations, and decentralized care models to improve efficiency, expand access, and deliver greater value for patients, providers, and payers. Laboratories that align their investment strategies with these priorities will be better positioned to compete as diagnostic services continue to evolve. That's all for this episode of Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. For deeper analysis, research insights, and strategic frameworks shaping future growth, explore our studies and resources at frost.com or reach out to our team at hello@frost.com. We'll be back soon with more perspectives to help you stay clear-headed and growth-ready.